Hello everyone, welcome to Unpod. So in this video, we will get to know how we can use Unpod Pilot to write a blog. So let's get started. First, click on My Hub if you have created. Then click on this AI agent. So now we need to give a topic to Pilot, which kind of blog you want Unpod Pilot uh, write for you. So let me write the topic here. So our topic is AI agents in healthcare, revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment. So just click on this arrow button and within few seconds Pilot will write a blog for us and then we can use this blog anywhere. So let it be completed. As we can see, Unpod Pilot has started writing a blog for us on the given topic. Okay, now it's completed. This is how you can use Unpod Pilot to write your blogs for your script writing. So now if you want uh, post this blog on Unpod, so you just need to copy this blog. Let me copy this. After copied, you just need to click on the right button and paste your blog in this content section. So give a title. So our title will be same. So our title is AI agents in healthcare, revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment. Now you can proofread and you can make changes in this blog if you want to add something. Then you can easily make changes. After making changes, you just need to click on the save draft and then publish. Now our blog is published on Unpod. Now anyone can read your blog on Unpod. So this is how you can use Unpod to write blogs for script writing to increase your creativity. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching.